Oh, didn't see there. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kinghb back with another video. And today, I'm gonna be doing a handcuff challenge with my crush, and that's Raylan, for 24 hours. I hope y'all watch through the end, and y'all gonna see. It was a lot of funny moments in this thing, me slit flirting, you know what I mean? Just tell me how y'all think she feel about me in the comment section, and y'all, I'm gonna let y'all get straight to it. Burr!
Is that a ticket or something?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Man, she scared me, but I thought Twin had a ticket.
Oh,
I made it with Raylan, you know what I mean?
oh, I found $1. I need it.
You found $1?
Yeah.
Nice. I made it with Raylan, you know what I mean? We got the handcuffs right here. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Wait, while I'm driving though?
Yeah.
You know I'm kind of like.
Yeah, I know she a bad driver, bro. We really risking our life. You feel comfortable doing it?
I mean, shit, anything is possible. Not too tight though.
My bad. I can't do everything. I got the camera in my hand. I got the whatchamacallit, you know what I mean? You got me?
Yeah.
Hey, yo!
Yeah, cause that shit tight on me.
Alright, bet. We locked in for 24 hours, bro, you know what I mean? We ain't playing music this car ride. We talking. We gotta get to know each other.
Oh my god. It's gonna be real low.
Copyright. I can sing for you if you need music. So ungrateful. First off, we going to this spot called, can I tell her?
No.
She gatekeeping this spot. She swears so good, bro. I haven't ate since yesterday.
You finna see.
It's currently
Do not get the chicken tenders, bro. Get the wings. I'm telling you, that shit is bussin'.
I'm gonna get what you get. I'm gonna get exactly what she gets. She swears so good. I haven't ate all day because we've been waiting for 2-3 hours for her to get ready.
Yeah, cause why the fuck did he take that shit out of my car? Like, this shit his.
He was just borrowing it.
He ain't fucking asked me.
Calm down.
No, cause what the fuck? Who do shit like that?
Go to your happy place, bro. You going to your happy place? You looking very good today.
Thanks.
Hey, bro. This what we not finna do, Raylan.
How do you take the brake off?
You heard me?
Yeah. No, that shit's really lame. Cause first of all, he ain't asked me. Just taking shit out of my car.
Yeah, that's rude.
That is rude.
Like
No.
how? God damn. I'm a passionate princess.
Yeah.
I'm your favorite passionate princess. I know you got a lot of them.
No, not really. It's between you and the lid, bro. You're gonna have to take that over her.
I'm kind of scared, bro. I don't got my seatbelt. Oh, bro. She handcuffed driving. Hell no.
He just ran the light, bro.
He gangster, bro. Tell the camera about yourself, Raylan.
My name is Raylan. I'm 19. I'm a Sagittarius.
She a Sagittarius, so they lie.
And I love Rihanna.
She love Rihanna. We love Riri here. Alright, so if you had to rate this spot we going through 1 out of 10. 10?
Yeah. You're gonna have to keep your arm over here because shit get hectic.
Shit get hectic.
Yeah.
This our first time holding hands though.
Yeah.
But hard.
Huh?
Something hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, she an NPC, bro. I'm tired of you. Yeah. Right.
What am I supposed to say?
I don't know. Shit. Right. Food spot we going to in the trenches, y'all, boy.
I'm just gonna...
I gotta be on my P's and Q's around them motherfuckers. Is that spot right there with the big ass chicken?
No, bro.
Yeah. I thought it was this spot.
Have you been over here?
Honestly, I don't know. I be going everywhere, but I don't know where I'm at. I'm from Macon. You know that?
No, I didn't know that.
So I acting mad, bro. Look. Can't reach your face, bro. Just cheer up. Are you texting other niggas, bro?
I'm texting a nigga who took my shit.
Yeah.
Cause
So you tell me you went on a sneaky link last night and got your shit robbed, bro. How that work?
Sneaky link, okay. It's not funny. I'm not laughing right now.
Ha ha
This is a
ha.
serious
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Lame ass nigga.
met Young Nudie over here.
You met Young Nudie over here?
He came to my job.
So you fuck with Young Nudie?
Yeah.
So you talking to other niggas and shit? That's what that mean?
Come on.
Talking to other niggas and shit, bro? Alright, bro. Look now. You get your bag. Let me unbuckle my seatbelt. Let me unbuckle my seatbelt. You think you in control of everything, bro?
How are we gonna get out the car, bro?
That's the thing, bro. You gonna get out on my side?
No.
Yes.
I'm already out here.
What, bro? Bro, come on, bro. This kind of look crazy, bro. A nigga again. Come on, bro.
It don't matter. Ain't
Bro.
nobody paying attention to you.
Bro, chill. Look. Bro, them girls over there kind of fine.
There's no girls over here.
Right there.
Right.
They kind of cute, bro.
Right.
You okay?
I mean, if that's what you like. That's what you like.
I
just think that you're very disrespectful.
That's disrespectful?
Yeah, so why would you tell me that?
I'm just playing.
It's
Look.
okay to keep it to yourself.
Hold the camera. Ah, man. Oh, shit. Try the waffles, bro?
Yes.
I'm just get what you get.
No, you need to try the waffles.
Bro, if I get waffles, I'm not getting chicken.
Okay, you can have some more chicken.
Okay, then you have some of my waffle.
I don't want no waffles.
I get some waffles, baby. You ain't gonna pull my chair out, bro? So fucking rude.
I have to put my own chair out.
That's so
why
rude.
Why would I even be touching the seat first of all? You're supposed to be doing that. Strike one.
Strike one? What happened? I get straight through.
You're out.
Last video, I asked for like a kiss on the cheek. I'm trying again right now.
I'm on that.
Y'all rate Grayland on the scale of 1 to 10 in the comments.
Damn, my neck look long as fuck.
Long neck ass. That look like Candace. Right. We just wait for the food. I'm gonna pick up the camera once we receive the food. Cause Raylan ain't talking about nothing.
Raylan said bye. So that means bye.
Oh, my boy Les posted the E-Day with her. She was talking to other niggas.
7 nerds on an E-Day. That's funny as fuck.
She went on the E-Day with like 7 different niggas. And she chose the one true for her love. I wasn't on the E-Day. And she was doing mad flirting and shit like.
W girl.
Y'all boy go subscribe to my boy Les, bro. He, you know what I mean? Next streamer up. Damn, I need to wash my dreads, bro. Why you went on the E-Day with other niggas anyway?
You went on the E-Day too. How many did you go on?
Huh?
How many E-Days did you go on?
0. Alright, I went on 1. I won one though. Yeah. I'm gonna call her bae and see her reaction, bro. Hey bae. You said, huh? Wait, what you gotta explain yourself? I didn't even get to.
Listen,
let me see
I
your
know
phone.
what you're gonna do,
No,
bro.
let me see
I
your
know what
phone.
you're gonna do.
Ow!
Listen.
Hey, look, stop moving too much, bro.
Listen, I was planning on subscribing. I was
You was
thinking about
planning
that
on
shit
subscribing?
today. I'm saying, cause I be
just wanna see
watching
your
that
phone.
shit. I be watching that shit.
Why aren't you
Hey,
subscribed?
what you doing?
Well, no, let me. Bro, you so
I can
fake.
explain.
Explain before I get mad.
I forgot to subscribe.
Don't hug me, bro. I don't want your little neck hug, bro.
Right. That video that went viral,
Uh-huh.
and then the video after that with that girl.
What girl?
Who that girl?
What girl, bro?
I can pull it up right now since you wanna act now.
Saved by the bell. Saved by the fucking bell. They thought we was eating the goat. That's good. Alright, y'all, boy, we just got the food. We finna see how they motherfuckers time at. I mean, finna see what they looking like. So I can show them the wings too. Stop being hot. You so selfish, bro. I get some of your wings. You take my box out, please. Thanks, Mom.
That shit look good.
Hey, hold up. They been
I
making
just-
waffles
we gonna
looking
cut it
kind of
out.
scrumptious. Yeah, we gonna cut it out. Show your wings. Your gooseneck. Try it right now.
It's hot.
Man, nigga. Ah, this been hot.
That shit good as fuck. What you think?
You should ask.
Stop lying, bro.
I'm saying this been kind of structured though. You know what it tastes like?
What?
Kind of tastes like you.
How would you know?
I don't know.
You need to eat that shit. Eat that shit.
Who you talking to like that? You're not talking to me. It's true. Damn, man. Breathe.
You need to eat.
I'm gonna eat.
Try it.
Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and eat. Hey. Alright, we just got done eating, you know what I mean? I ain't eat all my food. And then she ate like all her, she smashed her shit. But we took a little break with the handcuffs because we wanted to eat and shit. So hold that one cheating.
Why would you tell me?
What's the next spot?
Go to Target.
Yeah, you wanna go
Are you
Target?
gonna eat that?
Yeah, you want it?
Maybe for later.
Alright, you say it for later. Y'all give this video the 15 likes. I will call her Bay all day to see her reaction video. But after this video, I'm probably gonna get some my regular content, my troll videos. I don't want to branch off from that type of content. But I do want y'all to see this crush series. You know what I mean? Oh.
I can't believe I ate all the wings.
I ain't surprised, you little fat ass. I'm gonna pick up the camera, we get in the car. We finna put the handcuffs back on. We done cheating. Alright, gotta get back in the car. Passing the princess first. Damn, it be too hard. Hold up. Fuck my head. Damn, bro. This shit hard as fuck. How's your day so far?
It's pretty good.
I made it better. Cause you started off your day. You started off this video kind of mad.
Yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how is it right now?
10.
10? I do that good of a job. Hey, you know what I mean? Ask me what's my day? Rate my day.
Rate your day.
0. Lame at it. Not lame at it. Look, you know, front row.
Fuck you.
I'm just playing.
It's a blooper.
Lil Jimmy waking up. Oh, I said Lil Jimmy waking up.
It was Jimmy.
No. What?
Who is Jimmy? Who the fuck is Jimmy?
What you talking about?
Who is Jimmy?
Who is Jimmy?
Yes.
Jimmy is that sub place. Jimmy John's. So you
I saw you 5'4".
I'm not fucking 5'4", you little
are.
shit. I'm fucking, hey bro. I'm
You're not 5'8".
I'm 5'8".
I'm not even. I'm 5'7".
Nigga, I'm 5'8", bro. I'm 4. Bro, but the doctor told me I'm 5'8". My license say my license say 5'9".
You lying like fuck. You was not no damn 5'9". Like 5'6".
Stop trying me,
Between
bro.
5'4" and 5'6".
I'm 5'8", bro.
Okay, your dreams. You want me to be honest to you, right? I'm keeping it real.
You kind of cute.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, you just like a little bit cute. Not too much cute though.
You think you a little cute or big cute? I don't think you cute at all. How about that? What are you talking about?
That was rude as fuck, bro.
You're rude.
I'm rude.
Yes.
Bro, you literally, while we eating, you talking inside niggas and shit.
Stop lying, bro. You still want to get ice cream?
You want to?
You gonna get what I had?
You want me to get what you get?
Yeah.
Yeah, we go get some ice cream. Fuck you, babe.
Ooh, I got in there.
High five.
I got in.
Cause you a bad bitch, man.
I thought I was a little bit cute.
Okay.
Make sure I'm on the lines on that side. This nigga all on my line and shit, so I can't really like.
Goddamn, you got 2 parking spots, but it cool.
Are you serious?
Hell yeah, but it cool though. It cool. Say something to the camera, bro. She don't ever see. You ugly as fuck for that. Huh? Oh yeah, for sure.
Y'all, we got size friends for y'all.
Tell them subscribe.
Y'all subscribe. Y'all better subscribe to that channel. Follow my Insta at Miss 7.62. Yeah, we gonna be follow me at Lil Low. Y'all finna start YouTube. Stop playing, y'all.
Y'all heard them, but y'all go follow them, bro.
Let's go.
Right here. Right there. Kinghb. Yeah. They fancy you, right? You the celebrity, bro. You got these pet ass stunner shades on.
You said stunner?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that. Stunner.
Stunner shades.
What does stunner mean?
You stunning on these bitches, you know what I mean? Like.
We're currently at Target. And we just got some paper towels. But we finna go get ice cream. So I'm gonna hit y'all boys later.
I'm gonna get y'all boys later. We supposed to be getting tissue paper and shit. She over here getting candy and shit like.
Bro, what are you doing?
Like she.
Move.
Why she being so mean, bro?
Because you finna knock me on the ground.
I'm sorry, bro. Help me.
No.
So rude, bro. I get bullied by her every day. She only hang out. She only hang out with me for y'all, bro. Off camera, bro. She don't fuck with me, bro. Ain't that right, Raylan?
Whatever.
Yo, ass look like a dog, Raylan. We need to get you some dog food. Yeah. What? Huh? What happened?
Nothing. I'm just looking.
Yeah, me too. I'm looking very hard.
You're looking hard at.
I was looking hard at the camera. She just keep touching everything. Like, we supposed to be in left though.
We're leaving now. It's okay.
I'll pick up the camera when we get to back on campus.
I don't know why. Oh, damn, you recording. Never mind. I really appreciate what you did for me today. Some real nigga shit.
Real nigga shit?
Yeah.
I really appreciate you buying my ice cream, man.
You better eat it all, too.
No. Oh, it's gonna wrap it up for today's video. You know what I mean? It's kind of fucked up. But this is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. My clothing brand coming out very soon, so y'all stay tuned. They be hard.
Hard as fuck. We're gonna catch y'all boys later. See y'all in the next motherfucking banger
Crazy
video.
ass bitch try to talk on my name. What? You the type of bitch that's on some dick for some change. Low-key ass nigga, I'ma stay in my lane. Trailblazing in my clip, I'ma shoot like I'm Dane. Yeah.